Ijela na Senala against Swanky was she not watching the video? But go to live stream, Ijela, come go on the live stream, Abi. On you, you pay
not live stream.
Go to back, I'm on the one you know she. You don't do she be.
I see the phone, I talk Arab Tagi. No, Rapatagi, I came, I got nonsense is raging on live stream, nonsense is just raging on live stream.
Indeed, believe in the Sunshine, come up here. I think if what you want to tell me is very important, please come up. It's going to come to my DM. I don't give people my WhatsApp number. I don't give strangers my WhatsApp number. It's very hard for me to do. Please come up and say what you want to say to me. I can listen to you here, my sister.
What do you like here?
Ijelongi Boogie.
Yeah, what we talking?
Yes, Sunshine, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, you want to tell me something? Please go ahead and say what you want to say.
No, I can't say anything in this live stream. But I will try in your email to know if it's Igbo.
Oh yeah, send a DM to Risky. This guy, follow him, send a message to him. When you do so, Risky, I give you my second account, Abi.
No, it's nigga message with that one. I was still.
You want the message now? Okay, send the message now. Yes, send the number, yeah. Let us send you her number. Then I'm a message here with our message again now. You give me the number.
Okay.
Yes, let me. Since she said it is confidential, let us do it outside social media. I respect people's decision most times.
Yes.
Yes.
That woman.
Drop the number already.
Okay, she have dropped it. So if I a message requesting it, accept, then you will send it to me.
Okay.
Then I will speak to her this morning.
No problem.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome, Sunshine. God bless you so much.
Alright.
We are not going back.
It will.
We are not going back.
Remember,
we will never stop.
because of justice, we fight for Abada.
We will never stop. We will stand for justice. We will stand for equity. We will stand for togetherness. And we will stand against bullying. Ask Nora Kabagoso, young achiever Bagoso, because I know that you go. All and young achiever and oracle they come on. Nobody will come and bully them.
Imagine if the idea is to go more. How much is that? It's gonna be how?
If young achiever and oracle were like me, nobody risky. All a young achiever and oracle were like me, nobody would talk to them anyhow. And that is why these women can never near me, because I don't man I hang with business on America. One day, like Otam work machine not do better live stream now. They are far from you could get one fan care. So bia ke isi ge in a give petition. In a petition amana go na so digi ka na so nwa ge ka ejimala ge. I go from Ogafa. You called my name, I called your name. So kebem shi you. When I go on a business, even the petition magaza go. Mna kambuzo make video. Go one in I'm against your petition. Look when you hear so I want to hear email. Let the world know that's not God, Jim. Bullies. Imagine the happiness in the heart of these women. All of you are rejoicing. Oh, now we now woods. Unu gidere mangu isoko. Unu gidere oke mangu. Now let no. Now somebody but I hear. Biaguno, na swanky Zurioshi. Ono sin all I am not to get a swanky. So, ga home washi. Out to the mash. Okay, send your request. You say I should bring you up. Send request now. Big Mighty Starboy team. Send your request. If you want to come up, you send your request. Because I want to go and sleep. Your request, the last thing I'm going to take, then I'll go and sleep. Tomorrow I will go back hostel. Onyesimo, bring me up.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I'm dragging a man.
There you go on.
I'll put them to go now. Yeah, no. I got no one yana for 1 year. It's not the man.
On up for ya, how? Keko snap you go.
Okay. According to investigations, because the last time I you didn't give me a lesson here. So, but according to investigations, also, all requests for ego from her now on a project, even on voice notes, and I'm going to some voice notes. So, na ego even now much as na ego program here we go bank in here. So the girl in question Chinemere didn't say anything. So my question was now.
So I want to ask you a question, my brother, before we're gonna continue, Kehi. Yeah?
Yeah, go on.
Good. Maggie, I want your mother, Morgana for Borrego. Somebody, no, I'm coming.
Yeah.
For example, because Achon Kitty and Abada. Because Abada or Mado. Wait, she's mother to someone. Relax. I'm not gonna bring you down, okay? I'm gonna give you the audience nature. I wanna if Abada, if your mother is owing somebody and the person say return the money back, and this person didn't give your mother an ultimatum or a time frame to return that money back. Maybe have the kobo no maka in them kidabarem because guide yeshi utrobabuogi onyara have the own he, and this person all of a sudden je oro magi je popo magi na sell for 1 week just for magi jogo. How would you yourself feel?
Okay, thank you for so much. Can I answer your question?
Go ahead, answer my question.
Okay. One on the was in that area,
Oh God, I don't like the way.
Okay, I'm explaining, right?
Are you wait, Oga? Don't Oga, wait. Negi Meya. Oh, Negi Meya. I will negi for 1 week in a cell.
Yes.
How would you feel about it?
I will feel good because I will feel good.
Okay.
Because I made the right thing.
All right.
So, over now, here no wa over now. Ake ba kwa kini, akira kwa keba. Ero maka ejleja gan nogu. Let's call a spade one ne. All of us want a conscience.
So get spade, they got what's spade now.
One ne, ihe anu wa ugwiji. How far? Give me this time. I will go one ne biko baharamu.
Baharage na mere gire, baharage na nkogi.
Chere, one calm down. We are not fighting, eh?
No, we're not fighting. We are having a conversation.
Yeah.
I'm not fighting with you.
That situation, that situation, I got for go. Oh, one pride, what debate the pride there,
do you, Big Mighty, hold on a second. Do you know why most times, I'm the only person, I'm the only person here, that bring people up. I don't disrespect them.
Yeah.
I don't bring them down. I allow them to express themselves, say what they want to say. You know why? You know why I do that? My name.
No.
I also want to let you know that all Abada Uroyoshi, I will not support her.
You will not
now, my brother.
Okay.
Now, my brother, listen to me. these same people are in Kukuha. Only Mogi Saga Bito. Only Munyan very well.
I don't know you.
I was part of the team Barabada Saga. Barabada Saga. In fact, it was just this period of time Bidribia find there was some things now what I got somehow. But Abada Jerika Symphony Okuroku. Abada never liked me for one reason. Abada never liked me for any reason. Because when I won't buy any jail the number, that in jail about live stream, maybe one day mad he with a picture, okay, a picture, okay, at one day it was during that time, Kabada no one only best, no gay do me at Tonala. If you are aware, we jail now only best gay do me at Tonala. You are aware of that time?
No.
Good. That was because of Abada. It was because of Abada. Ka OGC na Abada. OGC only best, sorry. Gay lo me ato ye hanala. That's it. It was the same. It was because of this same Abada. Ka ijele jile swanky. Sina swanky no bu HIV. Okay. So now listen to me, brother. I see what I create. Now my guy no lien na ya. I see I got gwe. Yeshini shigwe. Actually, no, actually, my head story about that case.
Okay.
Come on, hand. You come on, hand. This some kotruga koko. Kotruga koko. Get reflect on it. You not ask me your questions.
Okay, can we have a good conversation now?
Let us have a good conversation.
Tell me deep about it.
Good. Abadawu a content creator. Abadawu a content creator. They use a page here. A man social media marital advocacy. But Imana, because of on the based on the local and cultural whatever on the now, they believe we are majority of women na Obodo Igbo believe that na a long wine. If I want to be Obodo Igbo, I want to get Obodo Igbo, why get a one ironishi. So Abada made a lot of utterances that me, myself, didn't like. But better say, now 85% of whom were in Igbo now have HIV. Now, Bagare. Only a lot of things about that kuru that I didn't like. Because Emana, this our followership and views, they might sometimes I use on social media live stream. Oh God, name me here. Some women are going to get up against her. Oh, in the live stream, a bit last 2 months or 3 months ago, internet was very, 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 very hot. A bit of drag about that, including myself. I don't have job questions. I don't think the shape of that someone in Igbo. 80% of them with HIV. Gile, asking a lot of things started coming out. But I'm not when that's Imrana wine and I was like, whatever it is. And at that point in time, this same young lady, Chinemerema, was with Abada. Chinemerema Ihoreba, Yana Abada then, Abada who got more than her. Yana Abada the number. Nakabuta Shaga. This matter was a Igwa. My brother, when I got on the social media app, to Chine Merem Nabadashi Mata, Kainama. I came from now. You may not know me too well, but believe me, for me to have the amount of followers I have without following anybody means a lot of people believe in me. And the when they believe in me based on the things they go on social media. I memo their godfather, memo their inspirator, memo as somebody how they believe in. And when I believe in me, they will run to me for some certain advices. And when you see them na badanaga, so have nama. But I'm going to work with my brother. Chinemeremo or somebody with a good conscience. Opposite that number one, Emma Ulabada. Emma Gobi. Omogi Nabada bill for 9 good months. No Labada Kena of Tamagota Nigeria, Nakini Rindi. Ona Ekwegwa. Because when Abada made the video, Abada say, now Okwegwa and Eku Yani on TikTok, can you remember call lawyer out? No Giogo.
But do you mean the verification when she said that?
When I made, how did I know? I went and I watched Chinemerem's video. Only video part 1 and part 2. And part 1 and part 2 are Hoku. And when go no proceed, they are Garula Badagini Gahabadajo. Number 1. And when go no proceed, Yanabada, maybe Oganula Bada, walk away Gahabada Bayog, or walk away out of her house. No, she never made that statement. You know, no Giogo, no Siawe, no Siaburu Yego, Keniko. I was waiting to hear Moga say, I got a little wanya, every police show also, or walk come out, or dear Hegemonte, or Hegemonte.
Can I ask you one question? Just one.
Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. But you know, when for video, like let's try to make things right. Mom, well, this is more. I had connect us to Chinemere, like Botea, Joya Jomo. I had to close to her.
My brother, I will tell the reason why I didn't do that.
Okay.
Good. The people that were bullying Abada have already hijacked Chinemerem. I will tell you people who have hijacked Chinemerem. Gentle G, Freda, Ijeli, and Chinemerem's fiancé, which is Playwheel, have already hijacked. And believe me, these people, who just to support Chinemerem, these people already, remember, I was in the team of Freda, Gentle G. I ain't chat about that saga. I would a gang. Now that's our gang. If that gang comment on my block or I don't get blocking. You will never now question that you cannot come here and ask this kind of question. That's only go to now let me tell you that this is pure conspiracy. Everybody was swanky. That swanky, somebody reported to me that Swanky is Ryoshi. My water boy see come on this live stream. Gather Kuronogi. Go ahead when I'm more God racing. Now, you know, now, go ahead and wait, she not. Even this boy came here and narrated the story without missing a single word. Even up till now, because of Swanky Wonyenke has not to be Swanky Ashi. Now, they couldn't say, Ngwaga may investigate this matter. But because of Swanky that support her, now let me tell you, as long as you're supporting them, you're only been around them the good. Is good or she, one day, to them, and show this, if they like to share his. Now, my question I'm not doing now, or how they will kill with the justice to this matter.
You know that yes, Moki can will know. I will give you some kind of illustration. Listen, I want to key you. I'm on my hand up philosophy. ọ bụrụ na ị gụrụ skuul awa ọ dị ọbụla gụchara skuul ọ pasịsis abụrụ pasịsis enwere ka ịgịla mmadụ ga-esi kpaa nkata everything is not violence enwere ka ịgịla mmadụ ga-esi kpaa nkata you will make your findings and ofu ihe ị na-achọ justice a na-achọ just interaction body language actually emotions to judgments like
I'm not putting look I told her about that whole yeah, if you're owing this woman please go and pay her
okay
to end this rubbish.
Thank you so much. Okay, can I you could in a right can I tell you something? Okay. Play Will in question, he's a brother to me.
Okay.
He's my brother. And I brought a Mata years ago. So all the things name me I want to over to say half about that, like only one discussion about this money before because of Monday ring or Joe. Before I said that I've seen out for a couple of times, like make the talk. Let's have a conversation. Let's settle this before.
Let's have a conversation. Like on call or to meet her physically.
Also, I have granola.
Okay, hold on, my brother, right? Okay, I granola about that. Did they raise this topic of this morning about that this woman?
Because she never want to pay attention, but her seeking for her attention concerning this particular money.
What was now the question is what was the motive of going to her house? Now, my question to you, my brother, let me assume. I want because you know, I don't want to say that. I want to see you as my fellow young man when I get you now, and I'm not gonna be using violence. You know,
no, we are cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna go because I love guy men. I love talking, you know, with guy men. You understand me? I'm a guy man, no. Forget social media. Now, they want me. I'll be a businessman. I'm a razu ni maya. Ngwagi ndejumogo. Let me not exaggerate. How can more than 7 Jimogo correctly as I speak to you now? And the Nda ni Jimogo. How could she gonna shock me so maya? I've not seen them anymore. Nwuronyo jo otama na habon na WhatsApp. I'm a very picture how they are one hashtag on TikTok. Knowing fully well that page in Naga viral and the one who knows Shaka viral. But why will I not do that? That money I need to go queer. Or who on social media can house romance her? House romance her ni Maya. Any demo I need Maya. Munga maga sin na biko you really go first. When I get no problem in my head. On the Maya get beat back, okay, that way. Good. Now, this woman and you go queer, which in a merem. Get your bomb business, and Buddha business, even every two benade. I don't know, Kuna, oh wow. Oh, that's those 2 extra children now. About na home. People need to have a woman, Diabata. More before ya not abata no. As no as a side chick, Yamo, the one. But because of Abada, you know, when you show when you're logical one year, baby, man, or so even expose Garis and Adiana one age that's an Abada saga. And during that period of time, she never did not come out to make a video say, because one woman on Abada saga, over one more.
Okay, let me correct something. Let me chip in something. 2 things in not like cool. It's not mother an open day to go one in my hack all.
Yes.
That igde ha over na hack
Good.
Okay, thank you so much. Let me point something over there. Chinemere time with that number, and then initiate conversation about the outstanding bill.
Big mighty.
But
Big mighty.
Wait.
Stop her from storming Abada's house. One day, one day, wait. One day, as a gaman, come go down one day, as a gaman, and when you're from Manchiji go, more lawyer, no, you can't stop more lawyer. Yes.
The thing is, I'm mad at this.
No, wait. No, I'm saying, assume the amount of Jirugo go now. You don't go stop my house.
My house, my baby, I go drag you.
Because now, let us assume, okay, I think social media will just social media or Anna, what has go JG.
Because I'm
Mother, how?
Yes.
I don't understand. On Abataka Chinemerem.
Well, definitely. That's what she feels. Because Ophelia I'll get that all the ego from her. So that is why Oji were there to upper hand. Like Oji your zone
Abadaka Chinemerem, Kekosika Chinemerem, like all that Chinemerem will police now. Okay, wait. If they can use police, that was Chinem, Oshabada, you know. Oshabada, Otop social media. I want to wait now, come down now. I want to Kuru, Kwegabadaji, Ajinia. All the police got Labata. Would Abada surrender and follow her to the police station? That made the peace ever.
Okay. Definitely, she is influential. Then, overall, confident, all the cinema keep it confidential, like what police guy now when. Abadaga put on social media, hey, I'm not gonna care. Like, listen, one my guy. I want hear no wow, Don't want before to Madam Bo.
Before get to why you know so I am to joke a question and say I be aware that these people we are on a saga trail, not a saga. And Play Wheel was in the middle of the Secretarians. And believe me, see, let me tell you the truth, Calm down, my brother. Let me work it now.
No, I'm coming.
Listen, what you can work it? Let me work it now. See, I am one person that doesn't support injustice.
Okay.
Immediately Play Wheel. Those Secretarians are bullies. Play Wheel is a young guy like me. And normally, I'm not supposed. Now, why, as you see me, I never come and drag him. Don't be say, if you only watch, I make a no be a day, mamma, a woman, not swine here. Don't try him meaning. I'm on case at some madhanya. And Play Wheel, I will hear big fish. And I'm a video against VDM, every video against Sunumbu, every video against even Nigeria government. And nothing is happening. One day, this is my social media platform. I can use it for any time to reach you. But this one job, I don't smell like that young man. Let me see. Okay, water two when you bury. Look, that is what we call peaceful dialogue. And you see that peaceful dialogue, and I like here a lot. I wanna Play Wheel pull, that video post to ya. That video got viral. You put out to you. Maybe in that way, see, I Play Wheel, yes, I have over 1 million, platform. Let me do it my way. Only to do when content to no master how content creators. You never go on name. See, you go in case I talk mama, what did you do? You went and joined Secretariats. If the drag about that. Now let me tell you what your brother Play Wheel did that shocked me. Let me tell you what he did. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm with you. Tell me.
There's a video he made. And in that video he said, and I quote him, that although Abada did not fraud Chinemerem, that word, although Abada didn't defraud Chinemerem, but the way she's now acting is now looking like more of fraud. Okurokwa here put you in brackets. I am saying it because I don't want to get myself into something I cannot defend. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now, you are saying that Abada did not fraud you. Now, let me tell you something, my brother. How do you want to come working now? Let me tell you why I say this is all conspiracy. Go and read the Nigeria's constitution. I got that going. Police, and I have go.
You say what?
Police, Nigeria police, and they have Fija Bogo. Nigeria police, they made for settling disputes. And under 24 hours, here police gave me one second was since we cannot settle this thing here, please take the matter to court. I want to show you talk I said to you, take the matter to court. Police are asking one day, you are sounding learned, you are educated, and from the words from Playwill is also a very intelligent man. Playwill should go and check Nigeria constitution. You do not. Police of Nigeria police they don't go for collateral or money dispute. No. The court is the only one now settle here.
Okay. Like under you know check under law, under constitutional law in now. Under section 34 is there about you know check criminal law. And when he anabo act of. So this thing now, according to statements Playway local on social media, it was not fraud, right? Okay. Then the reaction of Abada and her statement, if you have followed, do you know that all those records on him, like Okoro Kugachaga, it like seems like, and when this girl gave me
she said something that you don't know. See, why going to people that are sagaring me? That was a statement.
That okay, because she has tried to initiate. I even like anyone, but
and this is what we're saying, my brother. If look, right, I'm a human being. Listen to me. I'm a human being. No, get on to you. Banks in the job.
Of course.
And when they loan almost loan almost 500 million naira. Hedge you go. When they work a game on say, it won't be about money states. I want them to local government area. And they won't Igbo. I won't Igbo. Why won't a whole bully at the home. Bully. Out of bully. Sorry to interrupt you. Bullying in this case now, like. It will bully. That's Igara make it to new room. Now come on. I think my ass na me boy me bro one gara ko bu eburi. I think even long before. Yes. Na me bo e me bro one gara nya. No ka obu eburi. No ka ma ni eburu me ebu. Can it brother me bo. Now the question remains the father. These people Playwil run in the house of bully. If Playwil or where a child of God is not a pastor, now let me tell you, Playwil will not run to Ijele. Let me give you one reason. Should I give you one reason?
Yes. All right.
This is a woman that took the picture of a woman and her children. Now why are not give you this is a woman lele video what I carry a little baby over 167 years. Now uncle ya now that lady now then we work here another girl via HIV 8 years. Imagine 8 years naga primary school or something. Maybe one class yeah where I say they say you have HIV. I keep on stigmatized like one could you aware.
Okay. Listen. Like we are saying, like
no, wait a minute, my brother. Hold on a second. Wait a minute. Asemge a woman who's seen a one month ago, no give you me anala. You want 6 years, 7 years, no HIV. Now be a HIV. My brother, how do you feel about this kind of individuals?
My brother, Okay, that's not my like only in my him between onye no like onye ha
so when you want to keep me, hold on. So when you want to keep me no wa. When you want to keep me no wa. Madele unwage. Maybe let me assume name on Madele unwage sina omoga abo onfunwage ni geli anala. How do you feel about that?
Listen. Nchoge ichomo nsobadro ichom like obuna mo abuzo gwagi he iga like igwagwara ihe ikpo mam to gba na say you say no one yara you okay my mom it's okay we are that's
you feel good about that?
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Let's be sincere, let's be truthful.
You see why like conversation like this because a lot of you on this trail emotion all of you are just up for destruction.
No.
And because it's not something that is favoring you and you're gonna do whatever you wanna do, and that is not me, that is not who I am. Right? You see this night, hold on a second, my brother. You see this night, let me say something to you. This night, yesterday night, man at Swanky Naba Saga. I about a saga. Swanky man be joke. But when he came and was speaking, my heart was melting. My heart was melting. They were having the same box as embracing. You will start melting your heart. We don't like it. I'm having a warning that next time we do and make also that they will not be part of my saga. They will allow people to saga me. And my heart will melt. So you know why? Let me tell you why. I posted Ijele's son. Ogijele feel they post to that video in the next 24 hours. Video I almost at something thousand views, right? And when I saw Ijele on a live stream, God Ray, why are you talking about me? Why are you putting my picture? Do you know what? Tears rolled down from my eyes. I read that even if I as a child, you know what I could come now, Abasaga. Like God come second them on one because of mine. And I'm speaking to you now. You know what I did? I went and deleted that video immediately. Yeah, video got viral. And when they viral video, now I don't know. But what did I do? I took down that video because I had the voice of that little innocent son boy. That's him, God Ray, why are you talking about me? Did I listen to you? I started crying. I was in my room and I was crying. I was in my bed in the Mr. Child, this boy. I took down that video, but a jelly posted that video till today. Because that video got viral. Yeah, that video got pinned and I had page. Pinned it. My brother, let me tell you something, right? If you are a human being, you don't have conscience, you are a dead human being.
Of course.
I don't walk. Listen, I don't walk with people who are dead in mind, who are dead in spirit, who are dead in everywhere. If you retire Tinubu now, I would never wish Tinubu dead. My brother, I have never wished my enemy. Bom Chorela, Agalamba police station, on one gum, Ozurumoshi. I am black. I will call his name Black. On the more gonna watch him. I'm considering with my ATM card because when I was to go bank, give it Rego, he wanted us my pin. They withdraw 58,000. Then you are after many agreed to police in Ghana police station. Come to now, so yasim brother, Yabongama Wanga. Brother, Ukapongama Wanga. Even the way I got Potamunga. Come poor Pola Magato Ta, Ishe Jume, our room, I am a man, Mariton about the police, please release him. I say, you know, so you go pay your Isia, or we also 10,000, many go say, let's go. Him and Master Gabru Magelawa. That thing, no, Semo, brother, Gap Mungama Wanga. Ozurumoshi, or use that money. Rosti, he have Wamunga, Ama Wanga, and we get help on the Potamunga. I will move your jaw, we move you, drop your Hunuwe. Some of you Bagasaga at the weekend. Look, my brother, mighty, it's not about it telling you power. Let your conscience judge you first.
Exactly.
I have conscience. I'm a man with conscience.
Exactly.
Abada, yes, Abada Jiwani Ogo. Abada can still have negotiation with play with. Or when I play with guy no lawyer with Chine Menemo. Say because Chine was in Nigeria. Bomb one. Cake and say with you got. Bomb one. Only way no conscience for Christ's sake.
Exactly. Then okay, wait.
You people should have conscience. You people are celebrating that a woman is in the police station for 7 days, and I saw a friend dancing. I saw Ijele dancing. Only way conscience. You people should have conscience. Okay, I saw play with gifting them on a live stream because I'm not myself. Only way conscience. Let heaven judge us. We are Igbos. Lenunde Yoruba mere lumala ana call one out. I was an call one out. Ndi every day I call one out. Every day I know I against ourselves. Some things we can settle out of social media. I Lenunde Yoruba na be settle like case. Only Yoruba, but now condemn mine. Now I make add the home matter about that. That she's look at what that boy said. That boy is Rani. I am not supporting about that if he's still low, but I'm saying it is not right to keep a woman like that in the police station unlawfully. Charge her to court. Let her go to court and defend herself. Only Yoruba, only Yoruba. Only Yoruba na be set like case and you. Always shame. I know what I like for Yoruba about one saga. Now life for Yoruba can about saga.
Okay.
We don't have conscience. In the Igbo conscience I need to go Biafra. Biafra will not come. Biafra will never come because I give go wine. We will kill ourselves. My brother God listen to me. Get Monte. Gay. Go to Lagos. I won't get over Bobrisky. They must protect Bobrisky. In them Yoruba protected Bobrisky. He quick up one day okay because on one day okay they protect that one. But when I leave one, I knew show money. Nuna, Omekreke, Omekantu, Omekalola, Omekalele, Omeka, and a wish her. But they Yoruba protecting her. Now, cause no more. Having one, take it down, take it, do this way, do that way. In Kaja with it, I know boy, it should have to pull it. Indigo, a really conscience, Obiani Taramili. I would demons. I will quensu. We are the devils of ourselves. When they're working, judge yourself. Oh, what did you man to go? Judge yourself. Judge yourself. When they're working, judge yourself. I see my bad. I'm not about that. You ask about that. About that, go and pay this woman. Oh, they'll get potato. Come and get your way. But I'm telling you that putting the woman there in 7 days, I now will go on TikTok that we are demons, we are vampires. I will quensu. I will demons. I will demons incarnate. I will quensu. Ojo la to way and bo. Ya fogo fo. Manakwa no himere.
Exactly. Okay. Okay, yeah. Do you know how that girl? Every month.
Oh, when I did them about that was an issue. Oh, when I play with them, we would have disturbed about that.
Okay.
She never on I never done so. Play with one instigator. Go and tell play with Amo and God raise an instigator. No one I make it between children about that today. All play with me here. On the okay. Whatever is going on between children and about that today, it is play with. You know what I made between Abada and Chinemerem, play with is behind it. Or yeah, with the real instigator of all the issues between Chinemerem and Abada.
What's the reason?
What's the reason?
Yeah.
Play with knows better. No, you know what I made Chinemerem no that between two of them. You know what I made Akayane. Oh yeah, I made how put the issue I have today. I had to know between them because I believe Cambo about the Benanto Chinemeremo. I have one good. Go and watch Abada's video. You will see Chinemerem dancing with Abada in her videos.
Of course, I see. And them, I broke contact. I'm gonna play with that girl Amago since years back.
Ask him, give my brother. Akwa Chinemeremu na Badana Abuegu. I went about 2 of her videos. Yana Badana Abuegu. Where mommy, where my daughter. How about Abuegu? What suddenly changed? Giri Meziri overnight. Because Giri Meziri.
We are talking. Nobody's. I wonder even it's just a private talk, right?
Even the day mbatra live stream, or I could know, and Ebula play with myself for once, Greek Ejibru play with, and I play with game about arrest. Was it? And that we had an arrest, and that we had a police. This is something I was on the live stream there that day say, this is something they would have settled out of the internet. Look, Sawadosi, Onye Gaon Alaremma, nobody. Onye Gaon Alaremma, nobody.
I want him to inform Bada because I have plans. I want him to I want him way out to meet Abada. He has to just bring up. She should do the needful. I want to see one door.
They do the needful. Or when Abada get $17,000, Ganich never tata. Or possible.
It's all possible. Look now. Then can you go? She
never will go near about the 100 would go.
Okay, can you go now?
Mochi never but they go. All the Kuramabado, our children of Bladula, Ogeleno drew supermarket about that way, or first station here, or a boutique over it, or a somewhere, for about $17,000. You should also actually a memo, a lady at the mind, or you know about that kind of amount of money, knowing fully well that Abada may not really pay. You look at the second month, here go, Gaga roll. Mother, go roll, get you go roll. Uno with you, that is only good. It must only go to Kumasa this morning. You get tired of this. Why would I give you money to Gaga roll? Gaga roll, you don't have filling station. Gaga roll. Or what basics? How would you pay me?
I want to. So, mother in mother here. Like, one day, you know, my car told me.
But don't let you buy now. Yogi, you have to have that one. Or what she's going to sell on go busy. A lady who is the say you can't toss you. I come as a global wait, I came and I got you the most no, make a quit away.
For me, I want to see you.
I came and I got you the yes. Listen to my brother, eh? Come get Yamo, come get here, call on, any
okay.
Come get me here, call on, don't give me.
My brother.
Come get me here. Listen to me, eh? Listen to my brother, listen to me, eh? I am 36 years of age. I will tell you. From my childhood till now, I am not exaggerating thoughts. I don't beg. I don't beg for people. I don't beg. If we are not being alone, I am alone. You try go now, Mama Baganima. We have to make here like 100,000 now. You say break up for like a week. Mouse him to raise. One name, Kami get me here. Give your job come on. Job to get the police. Because any Colemia. I can't wrote a hand on the internet to now. Has for a Konya radio, Ativa Wonya radio, Onya radio, because so much can die of Gigo. One name, Agamario, any claim. Don't give me. And the reason why you see the internet, nobody will come out here to talk to me anyhow because I will never beg you. Who is your mother? I will not beg you because I got to. And this is my prestige from the one with that TikToker. From the beginning of my TikToker, a whole place that I can't number Mongasi, yeah, 1 naira. Even on in the matter. I'm a DM message request. Only came around and oh, my brother, because when I walk into only 1.7 nano school now for the 5 that has been starving of that. Oh, what's a story? He can't go, Mr. Account. Pay with a go near. I got my call him here. See, I'm going to go. Ima, near go. Ya be some block away. And I'm on you. Go and sort yourself out. So, I got my dog give you any quilemo and chunk a common. Because I'm almost some parent. I hate to make corn. Madaga go for the morning. O to me by help of walk house of fridge. Oh, yeah, our house of fridge go there. Say yes. It has a fridge. But believe me, I'm a anime bingo got a Yahoo boy. Because apartments in Mukuro and Gambini me, and when some Yahoo boys would have a column. And when I got some more, I try. Or some as I spoke to only me, anyone roll of now, 2 apartments, goes of the lot, and then longer. And when then I 5 or 6 or go for wall. But because I don't want it, and when one boy say, can you make go? Be under my room, see, don't pay me. Actually, gather as my housemate. So one day, any quillim, uru ne gabada koko yon itige na sel, ure kwele modruke. Ure ne kwele mo. Nga chide mre mbenye habade ga ne kara abadamma. O ne kara abadamma na chide mre we that money here. Abada that would have saved her strength. And in the month ego, there is no written document. It will more you could say, oh, there must have an agreement. We are going to give us already go mad yalawa. More is the donor, this is a who go back. Any column would drink who. And that would must see majority of Undanambra need Undario. Majority of Undanambra more these days. Unda Gale okay, oh, they are used on social media. Give away with Hanaga. Ndanambra, I'm sorry for you. Anambra Nario, Anario, Unario upon time. If I live stream, everyone let me give away, hate you. Everyone look at me, every Kobala may go. None of them, every company have been no longer. Kevin ever been no longer. I'm saying, come well to share us on here and away. I was watching about up again. So I came and took him for a long. When this boy came to my house, he came here with one clothes. All like obu box of clothes to lawa no. Oji new phone lawa. Go phone I near. See, Mbadari wazo. Biale your mate and Akwe Emmanuel Nimaya. Emmanuel is just 19 years old. They boo almost 1 million naira. They go higher. Biaka moga house. Ki weekend raya. But I will go kiki. Yeah, but like because get also here as okay very harime. But what you Diego now lay and a live stream one born agana now I never give away. Swanky go to a mere give away near 10,000. Yeah, we'll talk a sharp who Yanambara change in home. Yanambara change. Legends of our nabada Anna dash hadash. A mother only golo. Then you go place on salary and went on a row. Uneme buga kasulu jego na social media le ifani mato koro le wolo le okrepo anada shi ego le oraku aneni ego le oya le ku ijele anada shi jele ego every day jela every day ati na live stream on who jaba saga 247 and the type play ga play well you all I me play on Saturday ijele ga boko ya saga Yolo mukuru ni ijele go. Ijele kama kwa yasa. Ijele we secretariat. So, ndana mbare mne meruzo. Uyuru ne mem. Abada the same thing abada wonya nambara. Mo la bada sonya nyiri ego. Oya nyiri anka. All of you ndana mbara okufu ndi ahu ndi arelo. Uno ga change to ndu unu. Age no orientation. I make video for Anambra so no arero. In Anambra, I give no video tomorrow. Ono come get Dirunga tomorrow. So no change no don't know arero. On arero will go on social media. Go and walk. Mbontoge ana wise nandarero nanda Anambra na washike. But I gram Anambra maga na onita. Honanda ndone no so ndoshi. The first ocean's room on Chakano's home. Our Imo State, I have one Imo State, Ima, Imo make competition well. I now have to go well. So you must work to make money. And I'm actually no to be lazy. Oh, no, if you are if I know, if one day, Melon will do good to see them, no do way, my host, I don't umpa, well, to know February, to Babushuku. Uno chebri mechi uno gereji chili ndara mbara chebri no echi aka saga for saga
ine me advice me she hinkin mana the thing ana ekoko let's not in a way just
because happen no matter can one allow no liaga home
no
there's such a lot this matter outside that place they don't know gaka ke ku here ku je of ma o no achokwa ko gwa ahụ. But people should this one call this I'm it is not listen, it is not the will of children to kill that woman there. And when they do one now, big mighty. every day job at another place. I won't see them that woman. Every day, Asimgi, or who won't see them Jiwanya. Look, I won't see them this woman. I'm an deji this woman. I am on the how. I'm a hand, but God will dispose all of them.
No, the thing owner, Abada should just,
won't see them Jiwanya. Deji, I'm a deji. Chidem Obi Ruby allowed that Abada. Nde chidem go obi ara ya mana bada no gapoto ho nde jia gbara si etipelishi hara ya abada but also aga to say one by one
the thing no na get abada ko goji ona oda ejia
no jia no manga no ho jiri ya jishe ji
no rest
na happy ya oji ya wata kere aka jiwe oge weta aka
exactly
aka unu ga mecha no wa be ko kwa ala balam echi le unu cherem this one can saga against it. Saga against it. No, I'm not going to saga time. It can't go. Chebri no one man. I'm going to sleep.